So hello guys, good afternoon. So we are here at New Orleans, Louisiana, USA. We will carry out a CO2 inspection. Ito siya guys. The purpose of CO2 is to dilute the oxygen in a fire triangle. So no more fire will go. So we have this design of this ship is we have two CO2 cabinet. One is in this engine room and 4 purifier rooms. We can release also in a cargo holds, but we can release in manual operation. We have instruction manual here stated that engine how many bottles can release each cargo hold and in engine room. 74, 111, 119. So lahat ng barko merong ganyan. So ito yung CO2 room guys. In releasing the cargo hold, we are only use this manual release, this valve. So but in engine room we can use the manual release and automatic release using these two bottles inside. Later on I will discuss what inside of this box. So ito siya. As you can see, we have instructions here outside how to release this CO2 in engine room by automatic release. So bago natin ito check-in, i-disconnect natin yung dalawa na yan. Papuntang air bottle tsaka papuntang valve, pilot valve. So pag binuksan natin to, automatic, papara tong ventilation fan. Tsaka yung alarma, mag-activate ng CO2 alarm. Okay, ayan na yan. As you can see, this CT1 emergency stop for CO2 trip. All of this breaker will trip off when you open this two box, the cabinet of CO2. So example ng breaker na yan, this one, waste oil incinerator. Number 2, main engine auxiliary blower, auxiliary boiler control panel. Number 2, engine room fan. So lahat yan guys magti-trip. Lahat ng mga may code na may kulay na ganito, yan, magti-trip yan once na in-open mo yung CO2 cabinet box. Mana yan doon sa baba. Ito yung limit nya na mag-activate doon. So meron dalawang bottle. Yung isa, ito yung mag-activate ng valve. Ayan o, POD valve. Yan yung magbubukas. Itong isa mag-activate ng cylinder. Ito yan. So pag mag-release ng CO2, ito yung unahin natin buksan. Pack. And then ito yung susunod. So ngayon, i-check up natin kung anong i-check natin yung laman nitong dalawang to, kung andun pa ba sa
specified weight and condition as per maker's recommendation.
Alright guys, after may inspection siya, lalagyan siya ng sticker, meaning na inspection in a good condition. So after that, sara na natin and ito na siya.